Best Bidet Toilets combine the functionality of a standard toilet with advanced bidet features for enhanced hygiene and comfort. They offer features like adjustable water pressure, warm water washing, heated seats, and air drying, providing a cleaner, more comfortable, and eco-friendly bathroom experience. Starting at number 1, KOHLER 4260, Carrying Smart Toilet. The KOHLER 4260 Carrying One-Piece Elongated Smart Toilet is a premium bathroom fixture designed to deliver advanced comfort, hygiene, and modern convenience. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated design, it offers a seamless look that is easy to clean and enhances any contemporary bathroom style. The built-in bidet functionality provides personalized cleansing options for improved hygiene and comfort. It includes a touchscreen remote control that allows users to easily adjust settings such as water temperature, pressure, and wash modes. The motion-activated lid adds a hands-free experience, improving both convenience and cleanliness. Finished in a classic white design, the KOHLER Carrying Smart Toilet combines luxury, technology, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for modern smart bathrooms. Number 2. WOODBRIDGE B0970S 3.0 Toilet. The WOODBRIDGE B0970S 3.0 Smart Tankless Toilet is a modern and feature-rich bathroom fixture designed for enhanced comfort, hygiene, and convenience. Featuring an elongated one-piece chair height design, it offers a sleek, seamless look that is easy to clean and fits well in contemporary bathrooms. The tankless flushing system ensures powerful and efficient performance while maintaining a minimalist design. It includes advanced features such as automatic flush and foot sensor operation, allowing for a hands-free experience that improves cleanliness and ease of use. The heated seat adds extra comfort, especially in colder weather, while the integrated multifunction remote control allows users to customize settings with ease. Finished in a clean white design, the WOODBRIDGE Smart Toilet combines modern technology, luxury, and practicality for a premium bathroom experience. Number 3. WOODBRIDGE T08 Bidet Toilet. The WOODBRIDGE T08 Luxury Bidet Toilet is a modern and high-comfort bathroom fixture designed to enhance hygiene and convenience. Featuring an elongated one-piece design, it offers a sleek and seamless look that fits well in contemporary bathrooms, while also being easy to clean. The advanced bidet seat functionality provides customizable wash settings with temperature-controlled water, ensuring a comfortable and refreshing experience. It also includes an integrated air dryer system, reducing the need for toilet paper and improving overall hygiene. The chair height design adds extra comfort and accessibility for users of all ages. Combining smart bidet features, modern styling, and user-focused comfort, the WOODBRIDGE T008 is a premium choice for upgrading any bathroom. Number 4. TOTO MS989CUMFG-01F Toilet. The TOTO MS989CUMFG-01 NeoRest AH Dual Flush Toilet is a luxury smart bathroom fixture designed to deliver advanced hygiene, comfort, and water efficiency. Featuring a sleek one-piece design with an integrated bidet seat, it offers a seamless and modern look while providing a highly comfortable user experience. Its dual flush system, 1.0 or 0.8 GPF, helps conserve water without sacrificing flushing performance, making it both efficient and environmentally friendly. The built-in bidet functionality offers personalized cleansing options for enhanced hygiene and comfort. Equipped with TOTO's e-waders technology, it automatically cleans the wand and bowl using electrolyzed water, reducing the need for harsh chemicals and improving cleanliness. Finished in cotton white, the NeoRest AH combines premium design, innovative technology, and superior sanitation, making it one of the most advanced smart toilets for luxury bathrooms. Number 5. Casta Diva Smart Toilet. The smart toilet with bidet built-in, CDU0110 Max, is a modern, feature-rich bathroom fixture designed to deliver maximum comfort, hygiene, and convenience. It includes an automatic open and close lid system along with foot sensor operation, providing a fully hands-free experience for improved cleanliness. The powerful 1000 MAP auto-flushing system ensures strong and efficient waste removal while maintaining water efficiency. Designed at ADA comfort height, it offers enhanced accessibility and ease of use for all users. The toilet also features a smart heated seat, adding extra comfort in all seasons, along with a built-in bidet system for personalized cleansing. Additional luxury features such as artistic lighting and a foam dispenser enhance both aesthetics and hygiene. With its built-in tank design, the CD-U010 Max combines advanced smart technology, comfort, and modern styling, making it an excellent upgrade for a premium bathroom experience.